Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we're going to take a look at how to create a new post. And right now we are inside the post groups tabs. In order to create a new post, you basically have two main options. You can either click on this button over here, create new post, or by going to a post group that doesn't have any posts in the drafts tab, we can click on this button, create a new post. Then we can see save to group. We can add an image over here, like so. We can add our caption over here. Then we can see save in post group. We can see the post group over here. We can change it like so. The default status, like so. And then we can simply click on save. And we can see our new post over here. And the other option is by clicking on this button, create a new post. And once again, we can see save to group. We can add the image, the caption. Then we can change the post group like so. The status once again, and then click on save. Because I have changed the post group, I have to go to the post group that I have selected, which was general. And now I can see my post over here. So this is how you can create new posts by using the post group feature. And of course, the posts are going to be published according to the settings that you have made for that particular post group. In this case, for the first post group, those posts, after we approve them, are going to be sent on those days at this hour and are going to be sent to this social media profile. Until next time.